Typography and print changed the world. Everyone, the entire world over, has benefited from that one invention, which was a whole lot of little inventions coming together. The amazing thing is that it started with the Bible. That's really beautiful. God has his hand in things so nicely. When the idea of printing our own book started, I lost a lot of sleep dreaming up ideas for this press, learning about the history of printing, and decided to make a historical press, something in 1725, Franklin Press.
We started by making paper, which is really cool.
And slowly Mr. Grieger was making a printing press. They showed us how to use it, which is actually really cool. It's amazing.
The girls were engaged from the moment I said, let's do this. It was like a big relief for them.
So everybody has a section. I think there's 15 sections.
So we all contributed to the one book.
We experimented with laser cutting plates and inking.
We tested it, we figured out all these problems because it's actually really complicated.
Typography and contrast and all that type of thing.
I think the most difficult part of making a book is probably having the order of all the pages.
Yeah, it's sort of just a good collection of everybody's story.
So my favorite part of this process has been actually making the book, getting my hands dirty and actually doing something.
Using the printing press and being able to press down and bring it back up and then it's there.
It's really enjoyable, and I've had a lot of people be like, you're binding a book, and they get really jealous.
Flipping through the hard work that everybody's done and just all the memories resulted in this book, and I think that's my favourite part of the whole journey.
Their appreciation of what happened when that first print and those Bibles were printed, what that meant then to civilization. I've learnt so much. I'm glad I'm coming to school to do it.